If you are new to Java programming and want to visualize the execution of a Java program, then you need to have a software called Jelliot. I'll give the link in the description. You can download it from the below. So first let me show you how to install it, then give a demo on that, how the visualization process is going on. So the installation process is like normal other softwares. After installation finish, open the software through the start menu. Search, click on it, Jelliot 3. You can also read the instruction PDF which comes with it. Now open the file or program. It has so many options. You can create or open previously created programs. There are so many examples also come with it. You can open one of them and visualize how it executes step by step with pictorial representation. I'm opening average.java program. You can see the source file in the left side window, and in the right side console you can see each the step executes once and the pictorial representation of the program execution. To do so, we have to click on the compile button which is placed below here. Now the process has started. To visualize it, you have to press the play button or step button to watch what actually happen inside the compiler step by step. You can see it is creating blocks for each and every variable used in this program, and after completion of each variable the memory block is deleted also. So using this software we can easily increase our command on programming. If you are new to Java programming, this software will be helpful to you. So try this out, and if you face any problem then ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.